Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Greek letter omega to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell, and we'll add in a lowercase omega. So this is a backslash followed by lowercase o, M-E-G-A. And then to actually show this letter in Jupyter Notebook Markdown cells, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have the lowercase omega letter here centered in the middle. So we can also look at how to add a capital omega. So here we'll add in a backslash followed by capital O, M-E-G-A, and then $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after. So when we run this, we now have a capitalized letter for omega here centered in the middle. So this is how to add the Greek letter omega to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.